you have given me that opportunity, Mr. Speaker. Thank you. Mr. Speaker, I don't have to say much. I wish Honorable Mbati could have been in here, Mr. Speaker. He is in the Committee of Appointment. And Mr. Speaker, this is the time the leader of majority is here and the leader of minority is here. I think one of the best reports, Mr. Speaker, and one of the best people who have been interviewed for positions in this county, Mr. Speaker, is these two positions, Mr. Speaker, which they have done. The reason I'm saying that, Mr. Speaker, a member of that committee, Honorable Mbati, was saying the other people who have been appointed, they don't know even what they are doing. That's what he was saying, meaning, Mr. Speaker, they have not been doing a good job, but Mr. Speaker, this time around, I want to say they have done a wonderful job. Reason, Mr. Speaker, I'm saying, I met Aaron Mausa sometimes back, about 2 years ago, Mr. Speaker. When I took about 30 students from my ward, Mr. Speaker, to Keroka Technical Institute. Mr. Speaker, that man sent me his pass, the pass that belonged to Keroka. And we took students there to study, Mr. Speaker. One of them, and I have a message here, Mr. Speaker, is 2 years. One of them went to do a course on issues of electricals, Mr. Speaker. And I have a message here. He wrote me a message some 3 weeks ago, Mr. Speaker, and told me, Ondali, you assisted me, now I'm employed with Kenya Power in Nyamira. After going to Keroka for 1 year, doing that course of electricals, Mr. Speaker. The reason I'm saying that, Mr. Speaker, that man, I didn't know him, but when I went there and I wanted to see the principal, Mr. Speaker, he was available as he answered. One of his strengths, Mr. Speaker, is saying he is always available. He was available indeed, Mr. Speaker. The first time we met, Mr. Speaker, and I want to tell the students didn't have, Mr. Speaker, school fees, but I requested him to allow them for 1 month, Mr. Speaker, so that as a county we can give them bursaries, and also, Mr. Speaker, the member of parliament for Bomachoge Chache then had agreed, Mr. Speaker, to pay for them. He gave me 1 month, Mr. Speaker, so that we can have some funds so that those students can start schooling, Mr. Speaker. Therefore, I want to say, the way he has answered questions, Mr. Speaker, and they know the way I saw him and the way I met him sometimes, Mr. Speaker, is he could be a fair man, Mr. Speaker, to do this job. Those members who have been here in the last assembly and the first assembly, Mr. Speaker, they knew we have had chairmen, Mr. Speaker, and we have had boards, Mr. Speaker. There are times when the board was selling letters at 300,000, 200,000, the boards, which have been there from back, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker. And maybe the best now tests, which is going to